one thing I do, for example, is I have a lot of conversation about the marital home. The marital home is something people feel very emotionally connected to and often don't want to leave. But sometimes it's going to be the financial albatross around their neck, and sometimes they would be better off getting out of the marital home, either selling it or giving it to the other party by some financial rearrangement. And so I just explore that opportunity with the client so that they might realistically view what their life would look like if they stayed in the marital home from a financial point of view, and what it would look like if they moved out of the marital home, and see if I can get them to be realistic about what their options are and what choices to make. When a client comes in to consult with me, I explain how their lives will be very different, not only while getting divorced, but also afterward. And that will include their work life as well as their home life. And so, for example, working might be more of a struggle. There will be a lot of distractions. There will be distractions because the divorce is like having a part-time job. So in addition to working their regular work, they would have this divorce as a part-time job. And that would include getting documents ready, making time for appointments with me by phone or in person, making time for court appearances, making time for potentially for depositions, and then having the mental capacity and space in their head to making some very important decisions along the way about their divorce. So the divorces can be an enormous distraction. And at home, they're going to feel different when the children are transferred back and forth between the parents for the parenting plan. So people getting divorced have to be very tuned in to what's happening, not only with themselves, but also with their children. It's an interesting combination, being a divorce lawyer, of trying to keep all of these factors in mind, reaching the most practical and doable conclusion, helping the client feel like they can move on successfully, and for it just not to be so daunting and expensive that they're left with nothing but debt.